What's up, guys? Will H Tech Review back with another video. Taking a look at a camera that I picked up. So I picked this up from Best Buy. I got it as an open box unit, and I only paid $580 for it. As you see, they have it on sale for $6.99 here. It's normally $7.50, but they got it $50 off. But I was able to find a open box right here. They still have some for $580 plus tax. So I think, in my opinion, that was a pretty good deal on it. I may be wrong. I wanted to try this camera out. I'm currently using Canon M50, and being that I'm not a photographer or someone who knows a whole lot about cameras, I'm having a difficult time with the settings and stuff on there, trying to get videos and pictures to look good on it. This one, I'm hoping, is a little bit more user-friendly, where it's more like a type point-and-shoot type. I may be wrong, but I've been using this little camera here for years. This is the Sony HX80, I think it is. Here it is here, Sony HX80. And it's a pretty good little camera, budget camera that shoots video pretty well and photos. So that's my main thing I need my camera for, is family photos. And I do want to have a great camera for YouTube. Now, the Canon M50 is definitely that. It's just I have issues setting the ISO, the aperture, all of that stuff. I don't know anything about that stuff. And sometimes I'll have my videos looking pretty good, and sometimes they don't. So looking for something a little bit more easier for me. So I've heard great things about the Sony ZV-1 camera from my fellow YouTubers, some of my favorite YouTubers. But this is a Sony ZV-1 20.1 megapixel digital camera, and this is for content creators and vloggers. Let's take a look at a few of the features of this device here. So I'll point out a few of them. This has a 3-inch color touchscreen LCD. It has that sensor there, 2.7 times optical zoom, 44 times digital zoom. You can record in 4K. You got that image processing engine there, advanced image stabilization, full range of scene modes, auto, custom, and preset white balance controls, up to 24 frames per second with continuous AF and AE. So those are just a few of these product features. You can go over to bestbuy.com and read about these. Like I said, this camera's been out a long time, so I got the open box, bumpy cam. I got the open box from Best Buy, and you guys know, if you follow my channel, I have bought open box all the time, and I have no issue with open box. I've had great luck out of the open box products from Best Buy. So let's see what this one, if it's the same with this camera here. And I'm excited about getting this camera and using it. Now, I'm not going to keep the Canon and this one. It's whichever one is easier for me to use for making content on my channel. That's the one I'm going to keep. So here's the box. Like I said, this is open box. It's got Sony Digital Camera ZV-1. Nice picture of it there. You got some of the specs and stuff here on the side of it. There's some more of the specs if you want to pause it and read it yourself. And that's the box. So let's get into it and see what all comes in an open box, and look at it and see how kind of shape this thing is here. So you got your manuals and stuff here. Your startup guide. Got some more paperwork. All paperwork there. All right, so first thing we got, you got your wind muff here, dead cat they like to call it. So you get that. You get your charging cable here, which is USB, regular USB, micro USB. And then you got your battery, which is the NPBX1 battery. And then here's the camera. Nothing else in the packaging. Get this box closed up here. All right, that's good enough. So here's the camera. All right, so here's the camera. Now, I like to clean these before I actually touch all over. So I'm going to pause the video. All right, guys, so we're back in. I took alcohol wipe and wiped this down. So here's the camera. You see it has Sony on the front of it, Zeiss. Here's the aperture range, 1.8 to 2.8 right there. You got Zeiss there. I put the battery in it as well. You got a cold shoe right there, I guess they call that. Your on and off button, this is your speaker here. Your mode dial, mode button. Normally cameras have a mode dial, like the Canon here. You got your shutter button, your zoom in and out. I think this is to blur the black background, this button here, but I think you can also program it. You got a record button, which is big and huge there. This side, oh yeah, they open. Micro USB port there. That's your mic. 3.5 mic jack. And then a miniature HDMI right there. Little place where you can put a wrist strap. This side, nothing. This side, you got your function button, your menu button. You got a little stroll wheel here. Display. You got your playback button, trash can. So this also has a string you can pull out here, articulating string, or you can turn it around this way as well. So that is nice right there. And I haven't set it up yet, but then on the bottom you got your place where you have your thread here to put it on a tripod. As you can see, 4K. And then this is your battery compartment and where you put your SD card right there. So yeah, man, this is gonna be sweet. Let's go ahead and turn it on. So I don't know if it has juice in the battery or what. Maybe I need to set it up first. Trying to get it to zoom out, but it doesn't seem like it's doing that. All right, guys, so we're back in. What I had to do was put the date, the time, do the initial setup on it. That's why it wouldn't come on. But here's the display here. You guys see a few of the things that it has on the display. You can cycle through here and see different things, volume level as I talk, things of that nature. Very nice. I think it's touchscreen at certain points. Here's the menu system here. You guys see you can cycle through your different settings here. Let's go back up. So right here, here's the whole menu. If I wanted to connect this to my cell phone, set the recording settings and aspect ratio and things of that nature. Here it is with the zoom all the way out. And that's all the way in right there. So pretty good. So right now with it in like that, that's 2.8 right there. Let's take it back out. So now it's set at 1.8. So that's that. I got a lot to learn on this. Hopefully it's not going to be too complicated. So right here, take that piece off. This is where your wind muff dead cat goes, and that's what that'll look like there. So very, very compact little camera here. Here it is in comparison to my M50 here. You can see the difference in size there. M50 is pretty big in comparison. But the M50 is not a big camera. There it is there. That's what you get. Like I said, I'm not going to keep both cameras. And here it is against the HX80, which is a little point and shoot camera that I've had for a long time. You guys see now this one also has a flip up for vlogging right here. But that's just like I said, a little point and shoot. But I'll see if I can throw some footage in here from me using this and kind of get an idea what the quality is on it. All right, guys, so this is the Sony ZV-1. I have a couple of LED lights here that I'm using. This is a test sample, and this is in intelligent auto. I haven't tried any of the manual settings. This is the onboard mic. Let you guys see how it sounds straight out of the box. So the pictures that you're going to see, they're going to be in intelligent auto as well. So Sony ZV-1 test video. Got to stop myself from looking over here at the little viewfinder over there. All right, hopefully it looks okay. All right, guys, catch you guys in the next video. This is the Sony ZV-1 in the house. Will H Tech Review, I'm out.